Welcome everyone to a Khan Academy tutorial. We're doing solving proportions. We're going to go fast, but hopefully explain enough so you guys can get it at home. The first one says solve for Q. 3 over 5 equals Q over 10. My favorite method is to simply cross multiply. I'm sure you guys use the same thing. If you have something equals something with two fractions, what you can do is you can multiply the numerator one side with the denominator of the other, and the denominator of one side with the numerator of the other. Cross multiply. What it ends up looking like is this. On one side we have 3 times 10, and the other side we have Q times 5. So we have 30 equals 5Q. Now we have just a one-step equation to get Q by itself, and we get Q equals 6. So that's what we're going to type in, 6. Check it. Good. Next one. Same deal here. Once you do it enough times and you've practiced enough and you understand the concept, really it's about understanding what you're doing. What we do is we cross multiply again. We get 5x equals 72. Well, this time I might need a little bit of help. This is going to be a decimal. So let's go ahead and figure out what that is. I'm going to get my calculator. 72 divided by 5. And I get 14.4. And I think I can just type in 14.4. And I'm going to type that in and check it out. Good to go. All right, next one. We get cross multiply. Once you get good enough, you can just do it in your head. 88 equals 5n. We divide both sides by 5. So then we just type in 88 divided by 5. And we get 17.6 equals n. N equals 17.6. Might need some calculator help. I didn't list that in the supplies at the start of this video, but before you start this Khan Academy, you might need a calculator. This one we get 12 equals 7. You might be able to put it as a fraction. I might try that. So we get 12 equals 7t. Not 70, 7t. So I can maybe type it as a fraction. Let's see, 12 over 7. Let's see if that works. I'm just curious. And it does work. What do you know? So then we get 7r equals 20. I'm doing that in my head. So we get r times 7 equals 20. So we're going to divide both sides by 7 to get the r by itself. And we get 20 over 7. Let's check that one. Oh boy, having fun here. We get 27 over 10 for this guy because we do 10 times q. We're going to have to divide by that 10 to get the q by itself. What do you know? We got it. And then we have 8k equals 44. So then we're going to have 44. Oops. We have 44 over 8, but we can reduce it, people, by 2. So we're going to do 22 over, actually we divide by 4, can't we? Get 11 over 2. Over 2. Check that out, and we're done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to watch some more if you did. And, of course, always check us out at Wes Explains Best on YouTube. All right, take care. Bye.